welcome to Chat in Nuer. Today we are going to learn English to Nuer or Tognat basic phrases. Number one, I love money. I love money. Nakayo. Nakayo, you can say that. Nakayo, I love money. Nakayo. I love you. This one. Nakaji, like Nakaji. I love money. Nakayo, I love you. Nakaji. Come here. Come here. Berwaneme. In Tongnat we say Berwaneme. Come here. Berwaneme. Berwaneme. Come here. Berwaneme. Go over there. Go over there. We're in Winnie. We're in Winnie. You can say it also. We're Guami in Tognat. We're in Winnie. Go over there. We're Guami or we're in Winnie. Go home. Go home. In where we say it, we're Doru or we're Chung or we're Dorun. The correct one will be we're Chung. Go home. We're Chung. This one. We're Chung. Okay. Werchang. Come back. Come back. We say it Luinijok. Luinijok or Berjok. Come back. Come back. Berjok. We say Berjok. Berjok or Luinijok. Come back. Luinijok. Come back. Go forward. In Toknat we say it Werkawaniam. 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 Go forward. Werkawaniam. Go to the front. In Tognat we say Werniam. Go to the front. Werniam. Go to the front. Werniam. Go with him. Werkelkaja. Go with him. Werkelkaja. This is indicate that person is a man. You can say werkelkaja. In English, it indicate that is a male. In Tognat we say werkelkaja without telling who that person is, whether a male or a female. We simply say werkelkaja. It doesn't matter whether you are saying this to a girl or to a boy. Werkelkaja. But in English it's different. Go with him. Go with her. Go with her. Werkelkaja. We also say it werkelkaja. You can say this to any person in Nuer language. Werkelkaja. Go with her. While her, it indicates that person is a female. But in Tognat we don't have any indication. We simply say werkelkaja. Okay, werkelkaja. Go backward. Go backward. Werkawajok. Go backward. Werkawajok. Go backward. Werkawajok. Go back. Werjok, or you can say luinijok. You can take one of these. Werjok or luinijok. Go back. Go back. Werjok. Go back, please. Werjok. Werjok or luinijok. Okay. Let me read them again. I love money. I love money. Nakayo. I love you. Nakaji. Come here. Berwaneme. Go over there. We're Winnie. Go home. We're Doru. Or you can say Werchang. Come back. Lunijok. Or you can say Berjok in Toknat. Go forward. Werkawaniam. Go to the front. Werniam. Go with him. Werkelkeja. Go with her. Werkelkeja. Go backward. Werkawajok. Go back. Werjok. Or you can say lunijok. Please make sure you share this lesson with anybody who would like to learn Toknat. Thank you. Bye bye.